Window installation is a critical step in maintaining and improving the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of your home. In a city like Dallas, where weather conditions can range from scorching summers to sudden storms, proper window installation is essential for protecting your home and maximizing your investment. Unfortunately, many homeowners and even some contractors make common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs or subpar performance. Here are 5 common mistakes to avoid during window installation in Dallas. Choosing the wrong type of windows. One of the most common mistakes is selecting windows that are not suitable for Dallas's climate. Many homeowners prioritize aesthetics over functionality, choosing windows that look great but fail to provide adequate insulation or durability. What to do instead? Opt for energy-efficient windows designed for the Texas climate. Look for windows with features like low E, low emissivity, glass and double or triple glazing to minimize heat transfer. Consider Energy Star rated windows specifically designed for the southern region to reduce cooling costs during the hot summer months. Inaccurate measurement. Improper measurements can lead to windows that don't fit properly, causing drafts, leaks, and structural issues. Even a small error in measurement can compromise the effectiveness of your windows. What to do instead? Always measure both the height and width of the window opening in multiple places, top, middle, and bottom. If you're unsure about your measurements, hire a professional installer or consult with your window manufacturer to ensure a perfect fit. Neglecting proper insulation and sealing. Failing to insulate and seal windows correctly can result in significant energy loss, higher utility bills, and potential water damage during heavy rainstorms. Dallas homeowners often face high energy costs due to inefficient sealing. What to do instead? Use high-quality insulation materials and ensure all gaps between the window frame and the wall are properly sealed. Apply caulking around the edges and check for any drafts after installation. Weather stripping can also enhance the seal and improve energy efficiency. DIY installation without proper expertise. While DIY projects can save money upfront, window installation is a task best left to professionals unless you have significant experience. Improperly installed windows can lead to structural damage, water leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. What to do instead? Hire a reputable window installation company in Dallas. Professionals have the tools, experience, and knowledge to ensure the job is done correctly. They can also provide warranties for their work, giving you peace of mind. Ignoring local building codes and permits. Dallas has specific building codes and regulations that govern window installation. Failing to comply with these codes can result in fines, project delays, or even the need to redo the installation. What to do instead? Research the local building codes before starting your project. Most professional window installers are familiar with these requirements and can help you navigate the permitting process. Always ensure your contractor is licensed and insured to avoid legal and financial complications. Bonus tip: partner with a trusted installer. Choosing the right installation company is one of the most important decisions you can make. Look for a contractor with a proven track record in Dallas, strong customer reviews, and certifications from reputable organizations. A trusted installer will not only avoid the mistakes listed above but also ensure your windows are optimized for the local climate and your home's unique needs. Why proper installation matters in Dallas. In a city like Dallas, where the weather can be unpredictable, poorly installed windows can lead to severe issues. From skyrocketing energy bills to water damage during thunderstorms, the consequences of improper installation are costly and inconvenient. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your new windows enhance your home's comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency. Final thoughts. Window installation is an investment that pays off in comfort, energy savings, and curb appeal. Avoiding common mistakes like choosing the wrong windows, neglecting insulation, and attempting DIY installation can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. Whether you're upgrading your windows to improve energy efficiency or replacing old, worn-out ones, taking the time to do it right, or hiring the right professionals will ensure your home stays safe, efficient, and beautiful for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, connect with a trusted Dallas-based window installation company today. Their expertise can help you navigate the process and avoid the pitfalls, ensuring your windows perform flawlessly no matter the season.